Hey everybody, welcome to week 29. It's a short week. We have no school on Friday for Good Friday, so it's only Monday through Thursday. However, you have until Sunday to turn in all of your work. This is the last week that we will be doing PowerPoint. So there's a couple different things that we need to do. Before you begin, this is where the video is, and then there's the checklist. Like I said, there is only 2 assignments this week because it is a pretty big project. So that is there. If you want to join me on Monday and Wednesday at 11 for office hours, any questions, we go over the assignments, that type of stuff. We also play Jeopardy or something like that. So if you would like to join me, please do. You're always welcome. If you have the downloaded version of PowerPoint, only the downloaded version, you can, there's 2 things that I posted that is really a lot of fun. And I really wish that I could do it with everybody, but it does not work with the online version. And we have several people who have to use the online version. So if you want to try the maze game, or there is a interactive PowerPoint that's really pretty cool, there are 2 links here that you can do. It is not an assignment. It is just for you to just see that some of the stuff that PowerPoint can do, just so you can see. So when it goes through, after you make it, it makes a maze that you get to, it has a start, so you can do like an online game, and it's really pretty cool. It's that you can do this within PowerPoint. So if you're interested, you can look at it. You do not have to. It is not mandatory by any stretch of the imagination. Okay, so the other thing that is on here, so you have your assignment 1 and then assignment 2. We'll do assignment 2 just because it's easier at the moment, and because this is a typing week, and all I need you to do is set your 4th quarter typing goal. And if you are new to my class and you have never done the typing, or you don't know what I'm talking about, basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to go to typingtest.com. You're going to take a 1-minute typing test, and then you will fill in, you'll copy and paste this sentence and fill it in, and then submit it. It's really pretty simple, but I want you to tell me what your speed is here and what your goal is. Watch the video if you do not know how to do it. It's only 2.5 minutes long, and I walk you through and tell you how you can set your goals, etc. Remember that it doesn't help me if you lie to me and tell me you type 100 words a minute. I have no way of checking. This is for you to get better. You're not lying to anybody but yourself. All right. And then all right, so now we're back to assignment 1. So assignment 1, we're going to do a PowerPoint project that and I made 2 different assignments. I made one if you have been in my class since before March 1st. I've gotten several new students, and I don't think you're ready to do the final project, so I did something different with you about the same thing. So in assignment 1, there are a couple things. Right now, let's talk about the people who have been here before March 1st. Okay, so you're making a PowerPoint project. It has to be 6 slides, 1 intro and 5 slides with a tip about what makes a good presentation. It can be based on what we've talked about through the unit, or you can look it up online. It is up to you. You must use the slide designer to make it more interesting. You have to use at least 2 different fonts and colors. You have to have at least 2 pictures on each slide, 1 animation on each slide, a transition between each slide, a shape, a link, and a sound or video. Has to be on something on these 6 slides. So you can have on your first slide, you can say, "Hi, Dr. Gerald," and that will be your sound. It doesn't have to be on each slide. It has to be on one slide for when it says 1 shape, 1 link. Okay, if I say on each slide, then that needs to be. Then you need to export it as a movie, which we have done before, and you need to upload the movie. If you upload a PowerPoint, then you will get a 0. It must be an exported movie. Now, if you are on the online version, in the past, when I've had them export, I've had you share it with me. However, I've done some research and I have asked around, and there is a way for us to do it, and it looks almost exactly the same as if you exported it. So what you need to do is you have to follow this video. I have a video here. Upload a PowerPoint from the online version. It's only like a minute long. Instead of going to share with people, you're going to go to embed, and then you are going to create a link with that link that it gives you. I do walk you through step by step, and if you need me, just message me, forward, whatever. All right, so now that is what you need to do for your project. If you are new to my class, you will go here and you will follow this video, but basically what we are doing is we're making a 1-slide PowerPoint about 5 tips of what would make a presentation more interesting. So here are 5 tips, and it's going to have a number, a shape, and it's going to have the tip, and you are going to animate it, and you'll use a background. So I will show you, I show you in the video how to do that. When you are done, if you are on the downloaded version, you will export it. I show you how. If you are on the online version, you will create a link. So you do not have to do all of the stuff from memory or from what we have done, because I'm not sure what you know and what you don't know, but this will give you an overview of some fun stuff that PowerPoint can do. All right, so if you need me, you know you can go up here and you can send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if not, join me on Monday and Wednesday and you can ask me in person. I hope everybody has a great week. I hope you have a great 3-day weekend if I don't see you. And I hope to see you guys around.